Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 3.5mm audio cables of 2021. The list starts from a DuKabel 2-pack 4 feet hi-fi sound 3.5mm auxiliary audio cable nylon braided male-to-male. Its premium sound quality for music creates a secure connection, while its dual shielding, polished metal molding. Its 3.5mm audio cable universal compatibility. The 3.5mm stereo audio cable is compatible with all digital devices. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is DuKabel Top Series Long Audio Cable 26 feet, 8 meters, shielded O. It's enjoy the premium quality of DuKabel auxiliary cable is top of the range from market. It can bring you intensely satisfying high-definition sound quality from any electronic device you are likely to have: your PC, phone, tablet, speaker, the lot. It is a pure audiophile's toy. And that claim is not just sensational, it is scientific as well. This cable not only impers, it's designed for perfect fit and is the design of the jack, which features a step-down ring on the jack, allowing plugs to be fully seated, even when bulky protective cases are used, which is very practical and needed feature, since most smartphones and other devices are often in aftermarket cases, causing problems with connection of jack and socket. Updated Ultra Slim Connecto. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Movo MC1 3.5mm audio cable, dual male 3.5mm TRRS cable for audio.